So let's check out this Lawn Boy. 6.5 horse, 149cc. No oil change required. That's good to know. Hopefully it doesn't need an oil change. Oil actually looks decent. Doesn't smell bad. Okay. At the right level. So that's good. Is there any gas in it? Oh, it's full. Okay. Full of gas. Let's check the air filter. Ooh. That is trash. This goes right over there. Definitely needs a blade and a good cleaning. Look at that blade. Oh, it's time to go. Get a new blade on here for this guy. So customer states no start on hole. So, let's give it a try. Oh, she's fired right up. So, I'm going to say that they had a clogged air filter and it was giving problems. So before I change the blade, I'm going to pull the spark plug. Because if you don't do this, you can lose a finger. So, do that. So, remove this old blade, just jam a piece of wood into an outlet chute. I'll hold down on that too. I already removed the spark plug, and we'll take our breaker bar and loosen up. Just loosen up the nut. Loosen that right up. Take this off, clean it all up, put the new blade on her, call her good. I can't believe this thing fired right up first try. Never happens. Take a good straight down. Good straight down a while too. Good enough. Yeah, so you got the new blade here. After I give that quick cleanup, slap this blade back on there. Tighten it down with my hand. Make sure it's clear and free of anything. Like I said, always remember to undo the spark plug because you will chop your hand off. And that's a thumbs up.